Hi, it's Annie from the ClientPay team. Today, I'm going to walk you through our new Card Vault feature. Card Vault enables you to securely store a client's preferred payment method, including credit cards, debit cards, and eCheck. This feature allows you to easily make authorized payments on your client's behalf, all while keeping their data safe and providing a contactless client experience. Let's dive in and show you how Card Vault works. When you log into your ClientPay account, you'll see a button for Card Vault on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking on the Card Vault button will take you to a page where you can add new contact listings and save the client's payment method. First, click the Add New Card button in the top right corner. Then, with your client's permission, simply fill out the contact information and payment method and click Save to store that client's data in the Card Vault. Note that you can store multiple payment methods within one contact. You can also have your clients provide their own preferred payment method by using the Request Card button. This will send your client an email with a link to fill out their own payment information. By letting your clients enter their own data, your firm can avoid handling sensitive information and ensure PCI compliance. If a client's payment data has expired or is expiring soon, you'll see this icon next to their listing. You can edit your client's payment information to update card numbers and expiration dates, as well as eliminate typos or other errors. If you need to delete or edit a client's payment method, simply click the icon next to the Charge button, select Manage Cards on the client's listing, and choose the payment method you wish to edit. You can make your changes as necessary or click Delete Card to remove the payment method. Additionally, you can delete or edit a contact by following the same process but selecting Manage Contact instead. We're happy to share that Card Vault is included free of charge on your ClientPay account. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, reach out to our customer success team today at customersuccess@clientpay.com or call us at 855-973-6834.